SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off attention aware on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a feature called attention aware, where it will check to see if you're looking at the screen before it does something on the device. But if you don't like the way that this works and you would like to disable it, then you can turn off attention aware by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode, and then you can enter the current device passcode. Now you just need to scroll down again and look for the attention aware features option. As it says underneath this, that means that the iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding a notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. If you're okay with removing this functionality, then you can tap the button to the right of attention aware features to turn it off. And now these things described here will no longer occur as attention aware is disabled.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.